Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you insert a sound effect to your tracks. So like Project 1, we identified all the sounds. In Project 2, we're also going to do the same. We are going to create tracks. So the first one is boom boom land on the floor. So boom boom land on floor. All right. And then the second one is ice ball. Ice ball. All right. Okay, I'm just going to do two, for example. But you're going to create all the tracks for your sound effects that you need. And then after you've done that, we're going to work on the sound effects. So the first one we need is boom boom land on floor. What does that look like? So it's jumping down on floor. So go to the project folder, Project 2 boss fight, and then under SFX, sound effects, you'll have all of these sounds that you can choose from. So for this project, you can actually freely choose what sounds fit best. I need boom boom fall on the floor, so I have two of them. Oh, that's a huge one. This one. Maybe this one. I think this one is better because this one is not that dramatic. So I'm going to use this one. You see how I decide things now based on the scene? So I'm going to use fall on the floor, this one. Oh, right. And you have some tails that you don't want. So this, I'm going to trim it. So I don't need that and I don't need this. Let's put it up there. All right. Boom, boom, land on floor. Okay, let's see how it sounds like. All right, that works. Except I need 3 of these because you see 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just going to add a marker in between so I know where they land. 2 over here, and then 3 over here. Remember how you do it? You copy, and then you click on the marker, you paste. Control C, Control V, and do it again. Control C, and then click on the marker, Control V. So by now you should have 3 landing sounds. Yeah, see, that works. Ice ball. All right, we have ice balls over here. So I'm going to go to my file folders and then check what's ice freeze. All right, so that's a sound when the ice gets frozen. Ice break, ice. Oh, we got a lot of sounds. Fireball. All right, that's a regular fireball. I want an ice ball. Throw ice ball here. All right, actually, you know what? I like the fireball better, so I'm gonna use fireball. Go ahead and use throw ice if you like. In this case, I'm gonna use fireball. It's all right. It's my creation. It doesn't have to be original like the original. So I'm gonna use a fireball. All right, so fireball over here, and Control C, another ice ball, fireball over here. Okay, and make sure that it's here. Okay, how it sounds like. Yeah. Okay, I know it's ice ball, but hey, I like this sound better, so I'm going to use this one. So it's up to you to choose which sound you want to use. Now go ahead and add all the sound effects for all of your missing sounds.